Have you ever explained what a picture or story means to you? Today's word is about finding meaning. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is interpret. Can you say it with me? Interpret. Let's spell it together. I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T. That spells interpret. Interpret means to explain or understand the meaning of something. Here are some words that mean the same as interpret. Say them with me. Understand, like figuring out the meaning of a story. Explain, like telling a classmate what a word means. Translate, like changing a word from Spanish to English. Clarify, like making the instructions easier to follow. Decipher, like cracking a secret code in a puzzle. Each one shows how interpret means making sense of something. Now let's look at the opposites of interpret. Misunderstand, like getting the wrong idea in math class. Confuse, like mixing up the directions. Misread, like reading the question the wrong way. Ignore, like not even trying to figure it out. Distort, like changing the meaning into something untrue. That's the opposite of interpreting. Here's a great example. Sofia had to interpret the poem for her literature class. Quick review. Interpret means to explain or understand the meaning of something. Synonyms: understand, explain, translate, clarify, decipher. Antonyms: misunderstand, confuse, misread, ignore, distort. Interpreting helps you see deeper meaning and share your perspective with others. Your challenge: look at a picture or read a story today. Interpret what it means and tell a friend. Awesome, you interpreted something and shared what it meant. Keep looking for meaning, explorers. Tomorrow brings another word with Word Up with Sofia.